So I'm about a middleman for Forksy Darkness. He was the guy who was on my YouTube. So for I've been getting a lot of subs. Really appreciate it. Make sure you keep telling all your friends. Keep doing more giveaways. I still have this Chroma Heat. Hold on. I'm in trade. Okay. All right. So right now we're just waiting on his name's like Volt or something. Ah, Jesus, it's so crowded. Okay. I'm gonna get up here so I have like a better vision. Okay, so hey, okay, that's not good to hear. This guy literally has. Wait, don't tell me he scammed someone for Sea Darkness. No, no, hold on. Oh, my mouse. I have to hurry up and join back. This sucks. It lags the mouse. Okay. Alright, let me hurry up and join. Bruh. Okay. Hurry up. No, man. Join. Hurry up. It's gonna lag. Dude, Forksy, don't tell me you scammed this guy. Really? Frick you, bro. Hold on. I really hope he didn't scam. Because this guy had Chroma Saw, and if Forksy just scammed him with this Chroma Heat for the Chroma Saw, that's... Oh, he traded his Chroma Heat. Oh, okay, I know what he did. That's not a scam. That was your fault. You have a gift for me? I like gift. Me want gift. What's he gonna gift me? This guy said he was gonna give me godly, but he never gave me godly. I'm sad now. Nice. Teamer! It sucks, because like they're on the server, and it's like 6 of them. It's so annoying. Nah, at this point, I don't know what he's talking about. To rejoin again. Now I gotta spend time rejoining because my trades are laggy. It sucks. Okay, TripAdvisor, I see your game. No, no, no. Okay, time to talk to one of my fans. Okay, here we go. Same server, yeah, we're good. Okay, hurry up and play. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yeah, sure. Chromatides, pixel. Teamers, they suck. Okay, I have the items. Not gonna scam him because I'm not a scammer. Okay. Oh my, please don't interrupt. Alright, let's see what else he's gonna give. This sucks. This is why I don't like using it on Mac. Because, like, I have his stuff, so he's probably flipping on. I need to join back because I don't want to think I'm a scammer. Is he in here? Okay, he's good. Okay.
Ya, y diles bye, hasta mañana.
Bye. I'm not gonna scam his items. That's not cool.
No, just say
I haven't.
this is the last thing because I'm going with my family and I'm not gonna be able to play.
They gave me a free pet. Nice. Okay. Alright guys, well I need to upload this and oh, he has a gift for me. Nope, I'm not doing this again. Alright, so I'm sorry. I'll take your gift later. You probably need it more than I do. Okay.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's, kids. Oh. Wow, he gave me one of the new guns. Nice. Alright, thanks, bro. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. As you can see, I can MM for you. Don't get scammed. If you need a middleman, tell me, because I will middleman make sure you don't get scammed. As you guys clearly saw, he gave me his items, but the trade canceled, and I still give them back because I'm not a scammer. So yeah, share this video. We're almost at 900 subs. I know we can do it. See you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video.